District Police Officer Muhammad Isa Khan, along with Deputy Commissioner Vihari Syed Asif Hussain Shah, visited Mega Flower Distribution Point Library Ground Vihari and other areas. DPO Vihari Muhammad Isa Khan directed to provide all possible facilities to the citizens at the Flower Distribution Center. The police, in collaboration with the district administration, is ensuring uninterrupted supply of flour along with security. Vihari policemen are making every possible effort to maintain discipline, including the safety of citizens. DPO Vihari Muhammad Isa Khan. DSP Birwala Umar Farouk has set an example of humanity along with his subordinates at various points. He himself gave flour to the poor and the elderly.